The Earth is composed of several distinct layers, each with its own unique properties. These layers are categorized based on their composition, physical properties, and behavior. From the innermost to the outermost, the main layers of the Earth are 1. Inner core. The innermost layer of the Earth is the inner core. It is a solid, dense sphere primarily composed of iron and nickel. Despite its high temperatures, up to around 5,500 degrees Celsius or 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, the immense pressure at this depth keeps the iron in a solid state. 2. Outer core. Surrounding the inner core is the outer core, which is also composed of iron and nickel, but exists in a molten state. The temperatures here range from about 4,000 degrees Celsius to 5,000 degrees Celsius, 7,232 degrees Fahrenheit to 9,032 degrees Fahrenheit. The movement of the molten metal in the outer core generates Earth's magnetic field through a process known as the geodynamo. 3. Lower mantle. Above the outer core lies the lower mantle, extending from about 660 kilometers, 410 miles, to 2,891 kilometers, 1,796 miles, below the Earth's surface. This layer is predominantly composed of solid rock, rich in minerals like silicon, magnesium, and iron. 4. Upper mantle. The upper mantle lies above the lower mantle and extends up to about 660 kilometers, 410 miles, below the surface. It consists of solid rock that can flow slowly over geological timescales, a phenomenon known as mantle convection. 5. Asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is a partially molten, ductile region of the upper mantle that lies just below the rigid lithosphere. It plays a crucial role in the movement of tectonic plates. 6. Lithosphere. The lithosphere is the rigid outermost layer of the Earth, consisting of the crust and the uppermost part of the mantle. It is divided into several tectonic plates that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere and move over geologic time due to plate tectonics. 7. Crust. The Earth's crust is the outermost layer and is the thinnest of all the layers. It is divided into two main types, continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust. This type of crust is found beneath the continents and is generally thicker than oceanic crust. It is primarily composed of various types of rocks, including granite. 2. Oceanic crust. Oceanic crust makes up the seafloor and is thinner and denser compared to continental crust. It is mainly composed of basalt, a volcanic rock. 8. Atmosphere. One of the main components of Earth's interdependent physical systems is the atmosphere. An atmosphere is made of the layers of gases surrounding a planet or other celestial body. Earth's atmosphere is composed of about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. These gases are found in atmospheric layers, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, defined by unique features such as temperature and pressure. The atmosphere protects life on Earth by shielding it from incoming ultraviolet, UV radiation, keeping the planet warm through insulation, and preventing extremes between day and night temperatures. The sun heats layers of the atmosphere, causing it to convect driving air movement and weather patterns around the world. The Earth's layers play a vital role in various geophysical processes, such as plate tectonics, volcanism, and the generation of the magnetic field. Understanding these layers is essential for comprehending the dynamic nature of our planet.